We are going to start some MCQ questions of rural development from Indian economy class 12th CBSE board. So let's get started with first question. Government established the institutional sources of finance. Option A, to promote adequate credit of farmers at cheaper interest rate. Option B, to assist small farmers in raising agricultural productivity and maximizing their income. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A and or neither A nor B. Its correct answer is option C. Here, government established institutional sources to finance to provide adequate credit to farmers at cheaper rate of interest at reasonable interest rate and to assist small farmers in raising their agricultural productivity and maximizing their income. So its correct answer will be option C. Move to next question number 2. Question number 2. The problem faced in rural banking are option A, insufficient rural credit. Option B, growing overdues. Option C, inadequate amount of sanction. Option D, all of these above. Its correct answer is option D, all of these above. Here, rural banking faced inadequate credit, growing overdues, they are facing debt trap, and inadequate amount of sanction. It is not advocate that rural banking are sanctioning. So its correct answer is option D, all of these. Move to next question number 3. What is the dash is the apex body which coordinates the function of the different financial institutions working in expansion of rural credit. Option A, NABARD. Option B, self-help groups, SHG. Option C, Regional Rural Bank, RRB, short form, and commercial banks. Here its correct answer will be option A, NABARD. Here NABARD means NA means national, and here BA means bank, national bank. Here R means rural and D means development. Means it is national bank for rural development. So it is apex body for coordinating the functions of different financial institutions working for expansion of rural credit. For rural development, it is a national bank. National NABARD. Okay, remember its full form, NABARD. So move to next question number 4. The scheme of microfinance extended through option A, it is self-help group. Option B, land development banks. Option C, NABARD. Option D, regional rural banks. Here its correct answer is self-help groups, SHGS. It is emerged as microfinance corporation. So here Correct answer will be self-help groups. Option A. Move to next question number 5. Name the state which is held as success in story of efficient implementation of milk corporation. Milk corporation means here dairy farming. Dairy farming. Here option given Maharashtra, option B Jammu and Kashmir, option C Gujarat, option D Andhra Pradesh. Here correct answer is option C Gujarat. In Gujarat, dairy farming is successfully implemented. Dairy farming means milk corporation. Dairy farming is successfully implemented. So move to next question number 6. Which of the following is not a non-institutional source of credit? Here option A money lenders, option B relatives, option C traders and commission agents, option D land development banks. Here money lender is a non-institutional source of credit and it is also non-institutional source of credit, and traders and commission agents also non-institutional credit. Here land development banks is institutional source of credit. So here not institutional source of credit is asking. So its correct answer will be option D, land development banks. Move to next question number 7. Organic farming is beneficial because option A, it generates income through international exports. Option B, it produces an environmental sustainable wage. Option C, it provides healthy foods. Option D, all of these. Its correct answer is option D, all of these. Organic farming beneficial for generate income through international export. It also produce environmental sustainable way. There is no pollution or less pollution, and it provides healthy food. There is no chemical use, so it is better for health. So its correct answer is all of these. Move to next question number 8. Why is minimum support price fixed by the government? Option A, for government own benefit to safeguard the interest of farmers. And option C, to safeguard the interest of consumers. None of these. Its correct answer is option B, to safeguard interest of farmers. There is minimum support by price, MSP. Currently there is a Kisan Andolan in India, especially in Punjab, Haryana. Kisans are revolt due to MSP. Due to MSP, minimum support price. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this, then one like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification. So thank you, take care yourself and make study your passion and get in board exam full score in economics. Thank you.